packet because, but it really is super slow. See, and super soft too. This is on the back. There's only a defect because I was trying to dare this one, but I accidentally do that, but not that much. And now I really like this squishy. Really like, but there is no licensing on it, so. But I don't care. I still love it. So yeah, and it smells so real some a little bit good. So yeah. So one thing, that's all on my video. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, share it, like and comment, and share it again. Yeah, okay. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.